What's going on, people? So we got a good storm coming in there. We're gonna get like 25 to maybe 40 centimeters of snow. So I'm gonna try and bring you guys along for the ride. So this is what you do the day before. You get your stuff ready and you fix things that break, because every plow event, things break. So here we go. We're fixing this snow blower. We got a dry belt that broke during one of the last storms, so we're fixing that. We fixed the other snow blower too. That one was a quarter pin. Now next thing is my plow. I got a hydraulic pin. We're gonna fix that. Update for the video: Amazon sent me the wrong belt. Now I'm at Canadian Tire. Moment of truth after we get the right belt. Let her warm up there for a second. All right. Looks like it works fine. Getting ready we are. Yes, sir. Here's our salt for tonight. Mechanic on the side. Nothing else you gotta do when there's a big storm coming. Buddy's in the trailer. Hopefully my phone stays there. He's got a salt delivery and push the salt into your dome. Alright there, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Storm Solution Plus in Cavan, Ontario. I had a hydraulic wing pin break during the last storm. They overnighted it, got it, just fixed it. Buddy's a procrastinator, but I got it fixed before the storm. We're ready to roll. Let's go. Well, there you have it. We just got everything ready. Grab some lunch. Time to go for a nap. Let the snow fly, and then go out late at night, open up, probably come back out later on. She's gonna be a doozy. I can't wait. I'm gonna be out getting content, also trying to get the plows, highway plows, stuff like that, so buddy's gotta rest. See you then.